So I'm trying to figure out why real estate agents believe they actually make money by working with a buyer and seller. And they're not going to be able to generate money until some buyer or seller contacts them. That's actually not how you make money as a real estate agent. I want to show you in this quick video here what you can do to get yourself some immediate closings. You don't need to spend a bunch of money. You don't need to buy softwares and programs. You have to know where the money is actually made as a real estate agent. So I was on a coaching call today. And by the way, how rude of me. If you don't know me, I'm Greg Luther, coach about 30,000 realtors around the country. And I was actually on a coaching call this morning with one of our realtors, and I was using an example where we were talking about what you really do that makes money as a real estate agent. So her husband is getting ready to sell his business, and he's wanting to travel. And she's thinking, well, I can't run a real estate business and travel at the same time. I mean, you know how it is as a realtor. We start in the morning and we work all day long, and 11 o'clock at night I'm writing contracts and I got to hold deals together. And no, we're a lunatic if we're doing that, right? So I gave the example. I said, look, you know I partner with realtors all over the country, and I can make more money in your marketplace. She happens to live in California. I said, I can make more money in your marketplace from this side of the country than I could if I were there actually meeting the clients and actually doing the work. Why is that? Because we get paid for the marketing that we do. Let me give you an example that's going to really ring true for you so you know what I mean by this. Let's say you don't sell real estate. Let's say you get out of the real estate business today and you open a plumbing company. Do you think with a plumbing company, it's ABC Plumbing, okay? Do you think you will make more money in the office finding people that have leaky pipes, or would you make more money if you're out there actually fixing the leaky pipes? Which one makes a bigger impact for the business? Which one is more profitable? See, if I owned a plumbing company outside of our regular real estate stuff here, right? If I owned a plumbing company, my money is made through the marketing. The money, the way that's going to make you number one or one of the top plumbers in town is to know how to find the people that have leaky pipes, know how to beat all of the discount plumbers in town, know how to beat all the we'll fix any leak for $59. That's what you have to do as a real estate agent as well. Sending somebody out to do the work, to unlock the doors, to even write the contract, to call the title company, to call the inspector. I know you think you're really good at it, but I'm wondering how 30,000 closings every month happen in your marketplace without you. There's plenty of deals being done that don't have you involved. So our money is actually made by us doing the marketing side of the equation. I've always told everybody, you give me a zip code and I'll show you exactly how we can generate business in that area. And you don't have to spend money to do that, by the way. Marketing doesn't cost money. It's a very simple formula that we utilize to get predictable results every single time. You know, and I point out to everyone the offline approach, the online approach, this stuff works. And the problem is, if you don't know how to do that as a real estate agent, you're going to continuously feel lost and confused. So another agent I was talking to the other day said, well, how do I get people to like my page? Why would you want people to like your page? There's no need for anybody to follow you. As an example, there's a whole lot of people that'll watch this video that don't follow me. Let me show you what I mean. If you look at my Facebook page, few thousand, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 followers, but some of my videos have 80,000, 100,000 realtors have viewed it. How is that possible? How is it possible that people that don't follow your page actually see your content? It's done through marketing. Right? So if you do that, if you have good quality content and you put it out in your geographic area, specifically to the type of homeowners you want or the type of home buyers you want, you can make a whole lot more money doing that than you ever would by thinking I'm making my money by working with buyers or working with sellers. No, you could get a trained monkey to go out and do that stuff. What you need to do is find the motivated prospects in your marketplace and have an appealing offer so that they will be interested in what you're doing. If your offer is, I care about your business, or, customer service is really important to me. I've known the area for 30 years. I'll represent your best interest. None of that crap matters. If you don't have a good offer, you're actually replaceable by any other realtor they know, including the discount guys. And I'll promise you there's people that will put it in the MLS for less than 1%, which is to say you've been commoditized, you're out of the business, unless you can get a better offer. Okay, if you can get that part of it right. So moral of the story here, and I've got some resources I'm going to give you here as well. But moral of the story is you've got to start thinking along the lines of where you really make your money. You make your money as a marketer. You don't make your money as the real estate agent that's going out and doing the work. That's not where the money's actually made. It's made by finding those people that need that done. Now, if you want to be the agent that goes out and does the work, that's fine. But I can assure you, if you want to get to the 7-figure mark, because I work with an awful lot of agents, if you want to get to that 7-figure mark, you're going to need to focus on the marketing side regardless of who goes out on that appointment. So the analogy I gave her this morning is, your husband wants to go on vacation and you guys travel around, and can you really run a business? I said, let's say, God forbid, you lose both of your legs. You would triple your business if you were bedridden. If you couldn't walk, you would be tripling your business because you'd be forced to do the marketing and have somebody else go fix the leaky pipes, right? You'd be a better real estate agent because you'd be stuck in the bed and you'd have to figure out this marketing thing. So all of the excuses you hear from people, I'm busy, I hurt my foot, well, that's because you're trying to go out and fix leaky pipes. The plumber can't make his $15 an hour because he can't go fix the leaky pipes. However, the owner of the plumbing company can send somebody else out there to do that because they're getting dozens and dozens of leads coming in. Hopefully that makes sense for you. Okay, so in this particular training video here, I don't have anything at all to offer you, nothing free, nothing for sale, nothing for you to go to, whatever. There's probably a link in the description or whatever. But here's what I want to encourage you to do. This Friday, like many Fridays, this Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be going live with an unbelievable training content piece for you that's really going to help you in growing your business. You can only get notified about that if you're following this page and you turn on your notifications. So when you click that following button, you want to make sure, I think it says see this first. So you'll want to make sure you see this first. That's going to let you know when we go live. It'll immediately give you a notification and you can get some good training on this. But I want you thinking the right way as a real estate agent. This is not about past clients or sphere of influence. Those people that act like they're proud. Well, all of my clients come from past clients and sphere of influence. Then you're dead broke. You're selling like that much more than you need to even pay your bills every month. That's the icing on the cake, but you don't have any cake. It's fine. It's honorable. There's a lot of people that make money from that, but you need to have predictable, consistent business every single month. And that's only going to happen from having good systems in place. So I'm going to show you some of that stuff. Again, I'll be going live this Friday. You'll want to make sure you are following this page and you've turned on notifications or you won't know about it. As many of you know, when I do some of these scheduled lives, we don't post it to our page later. You're not going to see it later. You will only see it if you show up live. So got some really good stuff coming for you here soon. I think you'll find the topic incredibly timely. I'm not even going to tell you what it is yet because I think this is going to be our biggest event yet. Awesome training to help you in growing your business. If there's any questions that you have, you'd like to work with us in some way, something about your own business, we got plenty of business. Trust me, when you're making so much money you give it away, you don't need to go out and beg for business, right? But if there is something I can do to help you in growing your business, I'm highly passionate about seeing those unbelievable testimonials that we're getting here. I don't know if I could even show it on here, but I just got another email yesterday, as a matter of fact, from an agent that started using one of our, let me see if I can do it while I'm talking because this is pretty freaking cool for you to see. One of the agents that posted one of our ads yesterday, I don't know if I can find it here in time. He posted one of our ads at 2 o'clock. And if you're on here, by the way, you can speak up. He posted one of our ads at 2 o'clock. And at 7 o'clock, he had over 40 leads that had come in from a totally free ad. And he's like, holy crap, I need to turn this thing off. That's the type of results you need to be getting for yourself. It doesn't cost money to do that. You just have to know how to go about it the right way and have an offer that people are very interested in. I'm going to show you a little bit about that stuff on Friday's training. So again, like this video, make sure you like this video, follow the page, and then turn on your notifications. I think it says see this first. That's going to give you a notification that we're going live when we do. I'm planning on Friday at 7 p.m. And you can get a reminder of when that's going to be. Let's grow your real estate business. Let's quit messing around, looking in our email, jumping on webinars, doing all this other stuff. What if we actually have some implementable approaches that you can utilize to get some fast results and make some money for yourself. That's where we want to go with this thing. So with that in mind, hopefully you found this helpful, and I will plan on talking to you soon. We'll talk later, and bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.